Weekend Vans is a van upfitter in Carlsbad, California that specializes in family-friendly weekender builds. Weekend Vans as a whole helps families get into camping lifestyle. So we saw a gap in the market that didn't have vans that were affordable, vans that were geared towards families, and we wanted to create something that filled that space.
When my husband and I first moved to California from Philadelphia, we had one car and we were determined to buy some type of camp mobile. We purchased a Westfalia, an old VW, and spent the next 3 summers trying to maintain it from not breaking down. After that, we were really frustrated and we decided we were going to take a chance and build a Sprinter van out. And we were going to focus on making sure that it could fit our entire family. We sold that one pretty quickly and then built a second one that we rented out, and we couldn't keep it in the driveway. It was constantly being rented. It was really loved by all the people who rented it, and we realized that there was something missing in the van market.
What makes Weekend Vans different is that our vans are typically more affordable than most other van builders out there. Also, we're gonna have enough seating for a couple and kids as well. On the road, everybody's gonna be safer, you're gonna be in factory seat belts, and our vans don't include a lot of things that you're probably not gonna use. Our motto is everything you need, nothing you don't. Our process typically starts 2 ways. Either a customer brings us a van that they've purchased, or we try to find a van from a Mercedes dealer for the customer.
Most of all our wood panels are cut on our CNC, and that really helps us streamline our process. So we're typically able to get a van in and out within 2 weeks. And that turnaround time is including solar, an auxiliary battery, bunk beds, fridge, and a few other upgrades if that's what people are looking for.
Once we're done with that, we go through a quality control checklist where we make sure that everything is working and is good to go so that the customer doesn't have to worry about things in the van. My philosophy is make these things like toasters. As soon as you turn them on, they work, you never have to think about it, and it's ready to go.
We found a market that was untapped. We found a market that didn't have any family builds, didn't have any accessibility to families that didn't want to spend $150,000 or more on a van. And those are our people. That's who we build for.